Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Ishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nowadays my topic is new media technology for young generation. A highlight new media technology for young generation. Definition: new media, new technologies and communication methods in the context of their effects on the established mainstream media. Three levels of new media: Liverio and Livingstone, artifacts and device technologies themselves, communication practices, how we use them, social and institutional arrangements that support and enable them. History of old media tell us something about new media, long standing up YouTube Utopian, Demistopane, associations about technology, cyberspace, ethics, hopes, promise of an alternative reality, technology out of control, Frankness 2001, A Space Odyssey, Blade Runner, Terminator, films lag between introductions of a new technology and its broad borders. Social implications can be up to 50 years. Example: electrification and modern industry, cities and commerce. Classic new media debates. Marshall Understanding Media 1964. The media is the massive media influence not only what we think but how we think. Many of the change associated with media are irreparable. Internet key is not what is on it but how it new work. Raymond Millen's Technology and Cultural from 1974. Technology are socially shaped by relation of power, conflict and control. Technology develop in different places in different way. Huge corporate and environment investments in controlling new media. Jonathan Rithan, The Future of the Internet and How to Stop It. The machine is using us one way, two way. What are they talking about? How it's work? You are the new media. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.